So I have my potatoes, my chicken here. I have my salad here. This is what I prepare right now. Beautiful people, let's fry potatoes and chips. But whilst I'm cutting my chicken into strips. I want to share something with you. When I joined YouTube first, I came as for fun. I wanted to show that I can also cook something, not just to cook something. You know, I love cooking. I did food in school, so I wanted to, do some creative with my food doings on juice platform. So we became so serious. I became so serious to grow myself and to also learn from people who are doing the same which I'm doing. And still now we are still learning. Yeah, we are still learning. We are still learning. And I want to share something with you. When someone doesn't watch your live streaming, it's not by force. You have to know that because of time differences, some people cannot watch your live streaming. So when you see such people under your videos, watching your videos, try to come and support them back on their videos. Me, when I visit your channel and I'm watching your video, because I have conscience, I will make sure I watch full video for you, so that you see my comments there, you come and support me. This is what I do. But because I did not watch your live streaming, you don't want to come and support me. No problem. No problem. But let me go to another topic. Live streaming is not by force. So if you love someone, it should be a by force. Because why I'm saying it should be a by force, if someone come to your live streaming and stay all their time on your live streaming, I try to also do the same thing for them. Don't come and write hi, hello, and you leave. This is not support. You will come and write hi, how are you doing, then you leave. This is not a support. So me, because I cannot do hi, how are you doing, I will not come to your live stream, because it means I'm not coming to support you. And you guys know me, I'm having problem with my watch hour. So if I don't come to your live streaming, don't get angry. If you see me on your live streaming, it means that I'm still coming to support you. Yes. If you see me on your comments on your live streaming, you see a comment there, because I love you, I was able to watch your live streaming video. If it's very short, I watch, then I leave comments. But if it's very long, I don't even go there and comment. These days, this is what some people they are doing. They because they did not come and support you on your live streaming, they will go to your live streaming you did previously and leave a comment there. So you will think that they support you, but it's not true. How can you go to my live streaming, about 3 hours, 4 hours live streaming, and you leave a comment there telling me that you finished watching? What are you talking about? Even myself, although I can support you, since it's not a playlist, there is no way I'll go to your live session video to go and watch 4 hours for you. I can't do it. Truth are bitter. I know what I'm saying. People will be offended. They will say I'm pushing people away. Bidana, you talk too much. Listen, in this life, whatever you do to someone, they will do the same thing for you. The same thing to you. You understand? Yeah. So if you are not going to support someone, don't just go to their live session and write a lot of comments there. You know, we want YouTube algorithm to pick our live streaming to spread, so that we can also get views. You know me, I'm not getting views on my live streaming. Yeah, because the algorithm has not, I don't know. So please, don't be offended when someone doesn't come to support you on your live stream. We are coming to fry potatoes and chicken. No hard feelings. The name is Bidana Walker Doings. Bidana Walker Vibes on YouTube. are taking this YouTube stuff personal. Some people are taking it so personal. They are taking it so personal. Taking it so personal that if you don't come to their live streaming, they will be offended and they will think they cannot support you back. Please, when someone doesn't support you and you always see them on your live video, on your videos, please try to support them, because live streaming is not by force. So to me, yeah, if you love the person, you will definitely support the person. But because of time differences, a lot of us, we may not get time to come in. When someone supports you too, you have to come and support them. So nowadays, people don't like supporting videos. If you upload videos, they will not come. They will give excuses. They will give a lot of excuses. But if you don't go to their channel to support them back, then they will take it personal. But for them, they will give you excuses. Yeah, when you come here and say it, they will tell you that, hey, you are pushing your people away. You are bitter. No one is bitter. YouTube is a business. Someone will support you, watch your video for you to earn money. But come and watch people like us, our small videos. You don't want to come and watch for us. And we are telling you the truth, and you said we are bitter. We can never be bitter. We can never be bitter. Yes, we can never be bitter. We can never be bitter. You understand? Yeah, because we are all here. If today you don't come, tomorrow someone will come. So me, if I come to your channel and you see me under your video commenting, please come and do the same thing for me. Yes, if I watch your video, you see my comments there, please come and also support me back. Yes, come and also support me back. I will be happy, because with the love and kindness, that's why I was able to visit your channel. So if you see me there, please come and support me back. Don't think that because I did not come to your live stream, me nowadays, because of my health, nowadays late hour live streaming, I may not have time to come and watch for you. I may not. It means that don't do the same thing for me. Yes, me live streaming, I don't take it personal. It also pays, but I don't take it personal. Why I don't take it personal is because of time differences. Yeah, the time I will do, me for example, anytime I do live streaming, you guys, you know. But so far as the person has come and support you, you have to also do it. And me, because I may not get time, I will not come and write, hi, how are you, and leave. But when I come to your live streaming and I comment, you don't give me attention, I will not come again. Yeah, it means that you two don't come. A lot of channels, although they are busy, one thing is, if you are doing live streaming, if you are talking too much, try to also hold on a little and read comments. We all make mistakes. You talk too much, you read comments too much. This is how they do it. I know a lot of people will be offended about what I'm saying. Yeah, but we are all human, you understand? You cannot come and say it because you fear people will not come and watch your videos for you. It's cool. It's cool. But me, I'm saying it after. Don't come and watch my video. No problem. 2025, no one come. At 2026, someone will come. When people are going, and new people are also coming. Yeah. You upload your videos. You want everyone to come and watch for you. But when someone come and watch for you, you don't come to watch the person video. When we are talking, you say we are bitter. We are this, we are that. It's not like that. You understand? Yeah. We are all sharing love. Me, I come to your channel to watch your videos. I came there to support you to get to watch hour. So come and do the same thing for me. You are not coming. Everyone is busy. Everyone is sorting family issues. We know that everyone is busy. But come on, come and support your friend. You give every day, you give excuses. When someone doesn't come to your channel to support you, then you get offended. You say, hey, they are not supporting, they are not. Me, I don't have time to go to my channel and watch people who are watching me. If you leave comments, me, I don't care whether you watch it or not. All I will tell you is God bless you. But if you inside, you know you did not watch her, it's up to you. Yeah, this is not personal, or this is what is going on in this platform these days. People are not, be truthful how they support their friend on this app. Another trick, they are going in the crowd, they will tell you that I'm background. What is background? You came to support the person, you said you are in background. We all know the status. If you are supporting your friend to get watch hour, you stay, you don't go background. Who knows what you are doing in background? Maybe you are not there because a lot of people are watching. You say you are background, then you come back again and you say, I'm still here. This is tactics a lot of people are using these days. You know me, I have small views on my live streaming. So anything that happens on my live streaming, Charlie, I know everything. Yeah, I know. If you are supporting people on their live streaming, don't go background and say you are around. This is new stuff a lot of people now are doing. Some people are true, they are on background. Yeah, some people are true, they are in background busy. Yeah, we know. But most of them, they are not under any background, they are just there. I know after saying all this, I'm going to lose subscribers. Yeah, a lot of people will unsubscribe to my YouTube channel. Me, because of time changes, me, I may not come and watch your live streaming. I may not come and watch your live streaming. Yes. Me, sometimes, I've said that there are some channels I may not get time to go and watch their live streaming. But anytime I see them uploading video, I will make sure I'll go and watch for them. But these same people, when you go there, you watch their full video for them and they don't come and support you back. Yes. But because you did not come to their live stream, they will tell you that you are not supporting, live streaming is not by force. When someone doesn't support you on your live streaming, no problem. They will come to your video and watch. When you see them on your video, come and do the same thing for them. Simple. Don't use live streaming as an excuse to say some people are not supporting you. Do not use live streaming to stop supporting people. If I don't support you on your live streaming and I come and watch your video for you, they are the same thing. The love is still there. Don't use that as an excuse and say we are not supporting you. We are not supporting you. You yourself, you don't come to my live streaming. But I'm not complaining. I always try to come and watch your video for you. Do the same thing for me. No hard feelings. The name is Bidina Walker Doings. Bidina Walker Vibes on YouTube. Yeah, no hard feelings, please. This is not pushing people away. You have this bitterness inside you that you cannot say it because you fear that the group you are joining, if you talk about this, they will not come and watch your video for you again. Yeah, but I'm telling you, what I'm saying is the truth. You should support people genuinely. Don't use live streaming. Imagine you are doing midnight live streaming. I'm not your time zone and my time zone are not the same, so I did not come. Anytime you do midnight live streaming, I don't come out. You always see me on your videos. They are the same thing. Don't be offended. Some people, we don't have time to go and look our YouTube studio if someone is watching or not. If you know you don't watch, it's up to you. If you watch too, it's up to you. You don't have time to go, and everyone that will come and watch our video, you go to YouTube studio to go and check if the person, you don't have such time. If you are supporting your friend, do it from your heart. I know after saying all this, I'm going to lose a lot of subscribers, a lot of people, they will not come and watch my videos. They will not support me again because I'm saying nonsense here. This is their mind though. This is what their mind they are saying. But the truth are always bitter. When you learn to speak the truth, people will start avoiding you. No problem. Now we do here. Get it. Cooking. Now we there here. No hard feelings. The chicken. So crispy. See? The chicken. The potatoes. And the salad there. Please don't be offended on what I'm coming to say. I beg you. Don't get angry. I'm just sharing my view here. Yeah. So a lot of people will be offended on what I say. Don't be offended. This is all we are all facing. We are all facing this. Yes. People are not watching our videos, but they go there and comment. We don't have time to go and check whether you watch it or not. We don't have such time. We beg you. We don't have such time. So if you are supporting people, support them with all your heart. The name is Bida Walker Doings. Bida Walker Vibes on YouTube. So I have my potatoes, my chicken here. I have my salad here. This is what I prepare right now. And this, hey. What it be this?